history in Vienna, and it's super cool because it's got super cool lizards like this one, which is kind of hard to see right now. And oh look, crikey, he's looking right at me. Just chilling. Hey lizard. And here is another interesting specimen. We call him okay, so here it's kind of hard to see, but there's ants all over this thing. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, there they are. There's one. There's another one. It's like New York City for ants. They've got ants everywhere. But look over here. Right down there. There's a hole and the ants are escaping. Look. One got all the way over here. Whoa. It reminds me of those lizards that have the flaps that run, you know. What in the world? Oh, he glows in the dark. What? He's taking a nap now.
Yeah, a minute ago he's swimming. There's one up there. Kind of swimming.
Yeah.
Another one.
They're weird.
Maybe these are the weirdest animals there are. Wave hello.